Hello, my name is Daniel Durso, and welcome to this walkthrough of my utility web application. In this video, I'll be guiding through the key features of the application, starting with user registration and login, and then moving through each individual module. To begin with here, this is our render.com dashboard for the utility web application, and the utility web application is live at this point. We'll go ahead and move on to the home page here, beginning with our registration system, which uses Flash Login for user authentication. On the home page here, we can either register a new account or log into an existing one. So let's go ahead and register a new account. So now that we're successfully registered, our passwords are hashed and stored safely in the database using WorkZug. And now let's go ahead and log in with our new account. Now we're logged in successfully. This shows that the same credentials are working and showing that session management is working properly. After logging in here, we're landing on the utility dashboard, and we can go ahead and start with our unit converter. This tool allows you to convert between categories like length, temperature, time, and weight. And we'll go ahead and show an example of that here. Show our temperature and convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And there's our successful result. This result is showed immediately below. And if we enter invalid data or leave the field blank, the app will show an error message. So we'll try this again with nothing in there. And there's our successful error message. Our conversion history is saved and can be accessed by clicking the history bottom here at the bottom. And here's our unit conversion that we just previously completed. And this can be deleted as well. And now we're back to our blank history for the unit converter. Moving on to the calculator. The calculator is a client-side JavaScript calculator, which was built for basic arithmetic operations. And we'll do a quick example of some multiplication here. And there's our correct output. All the logic runs in the browser, and in the case of an incorrect input, we'll get error messages as well. So we'll try an incorrect input here. And there's our error message. Moving on now to the currency converter. The currency converter uses a third-party API to fetch real-time exchange rates. Users can input an amount and select currencies to convert between. So we'll go ahead and show an example of that here. And we'll convert from US dollars to Japanese yen. And there's our successful conversion. These API requests are handled on the back end, and only valid numeric input is accepted, similar to the unit converter. So again, if we try to convert with no input added, we get our error message. Lastly, moving on to the Notes module. The Notes module offers full CRUD functionality: create, read, update, and delete, allowing users to manage their personal notes. We'll go ahead and show an example of all the CRUD functions here. So now our note has been successfully added. So let's go ahead and edit it. There's our updated note. And let's go ahead and now delete it. These notes are all user specific, and they're all securely stored in our SQL database. Lastly, this app features a consistent responsive UI with navigation links at the top, and the layout was styled with CSS and dynamic content rendering done with Jinja 2 templates. And we'll go ahead and show an example here too of when we inspect, we can look at it in mobile view. And in the mobile view, we actually have a hamburger that handles the navigation. And when the hamburger is clicked, we have the drop down for the full navigation. This project allowed me to integrate front-end and back-end systems, use real APIs, and work with Flask, SQL Alchemy, and deployment tools, many of which were new to me when this project first began. Thank you very much for watching this walkthrough of my utility web application. And at this time, all major features are live, tested, and ready for real-world use. Thank you very much.